Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input. It should be on the third position, and tap on language and region. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously applied languages. We've got English, Spanish and Polish right now. So let's tap on add language in order to find more languages. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available ones. So all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick French. Let's tap. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to change the default language to the newly chosen one, in my case French. So let's tap on change. And as you can see, the French will appear immediately on the very first position, and from this moment the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Of course, we can change it to another language if we want to. Of course, if you've got it on this list, just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately changed. If you want to, you can also remove the languages, because sometimes you do not really like to have plenty of languages added here. Just tap on edit, and as you can see, you will be not only able to remove the languages just by tapping on this X button, but you can also reorder them. Just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the position you want to. But let me remove all of them and confirm it with tapping on this tick icon. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.